Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share my Zoom meeting link. So, that's easy to be done and to be completed. It's not complicated. So, what I want you to do is to go into Zoom.io website. Let's create a new tab, new window, I mean, and then go into Zoom.us. All right. Once you are in, try to sign in if you are not, and then you will get on that window. All right. Then you will scroll down into meeting, and you will find the Zoom invite link. Copy and paste it on the emails of your attendees or of the participants that you want them to be on your meeting. That's if you already make a meeting and you forget the invite link, or you didn't copy and paste it to them, or you didn't invite any participants. Anyways, the other way, if you didn't created or schedule a new meeting, you can go into schedule on your app and then fill the blanks. Then go into save the blue button below, and then here is your meeting, your invite meeting, your invite Zoom meeting link. Then copy it and paste it to the ones that you want them to be on your meeting. Alright, and there is another option that you can go into schedule, and you can add the invitees or attendees or the participants from here if you already have them on your Zoom. Anyways, guys, that's the video. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like it and share it, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching.